Do you know where we're going?
At the animals. At the animals. At the animals.
Quack, quack.
Ducky.
So as you can tell, we have just hit the amphitheater and we are practicing our performances.
La 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 la. Till the day I die. Hey, don't stick that tongue out at me, kid.
After a beautiful performance by yours truly, we are now off to take a little stroll through the rest of the park and end up at the duck. Yeah, we're not going to make it to the pond by the looks of things. We just passed the jungle gym. What?
That is a mummy face.
How do we get to the ducks?
We go that way, then we turn around, and then we can maybe spot some ducks.
Is that the shortcut?
Past the vans. Ready?
One for you, ducky! Me, mommy, pretend I'm a duck. Wow. I'm too scared for them to look.
As you can tell, we might still have a while to go with our storytelling, but the aim is still to just let you know there's stuff to do, get out and do it.
Catch one.
Go.
Go and catch one.